In working closely with our partners, the DaVinci Group has assembled a select group of products that allows for the professional integration of Amazon Echo products into residential installations. This group includes 3 AMC products, the X86i and either AB01 or XS1BT, working in conjunction with a third-party control system such as Crestron, Control4, and Key Digital. We've made the integration simple, and there are 2 options available to make this work. Option 1. The X86i receives signal from Cat5 cable from the AB01, which is wired to the Amazon Echo. The X86i then sends power to in-ceiling or in-wall speakers. Option 2. The X86i receives signal via Cat5 cable from the XS1BT, which is connected wirelessly using Bluetooth to the Amazon Echo. Again, the X86i then sends power to in-ceiling or in-wall speakers. Both options require a third-party control system. To finish off this professional installation, we recommend the Vanguard Dynamics Voice Dock. This optional accessory provides an attractive way to flush mount the Echo Dot into the wall. This is an ideal solution when coupled with the AB01 as seen in option 1 of this video. With the X86i and the accessories, we present the ideal way to professionally amplify and control Amazon Echo products. And with its multi-zone capabilities, the X86i provides up to 6 zones of audio and powers up to 6 Echo Dots. If you have any questions about this custom integration, we're happy to help.